Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Mercedes GLE350. On this Mercedes we're going to go over where you would add your windshield washer fluid. This is your windshield washer fluid reservoir. It's on the front of the car, on the left side, which is your driver's side, right behind the grill. You just need to pop this cap. You would fill this up with windshield washer fluid, whatever your brand or make that you like. Put in there. If it's empty, it'll easily take 3 liters, almost a whole gallon. It can take up to 5. But if this is full and you're not able to get windshield washer fluid to clean your windows, then you're going to need to be looking into other things, like whether the maybe a fuse has gone bad and or the pump itself doesn't work. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.